The long lines have finally dwindled at the Delta counters in Terminal 3, proof of the progress that's been made since Wednesday's snowstorm and subsequent shortage of de-icing fluid left hundreds stranded. But although the lines are gone, not all the passengers are so lucky.
11 o'clock tomorrow night, Christmas night, is the soonest they could get us out of here. We checked other flights too.
We arrived just in the nick of time to get our connecting flight to Norfolk, and the flight was canceled to Norfolk. So now we're trying to, there's no flights going out at all.
It's the same story for Ida DeMole and her family. She's worried she won't make it home in time to pick up her 78-year-old father from the airport.
My dad is arriving from Holland tomorrow. He's coming over for 3 weeks for the holidays. I'd like to get home and be there for him in time to pick him up.
Comair says everything possible is being done to get passengers home in time for Christmas.
The very stark reality that although we'll be able to help out a large number of these passengers, there'll be some people who will not make it home for the holidays.
To shop till you drop, and after Mother Nature spoiled last-minute gift-buying plans yesterday,
there was too much snow, we couldn't even get out. We got trapped.
Many shoppers tried to make up for it today.
We had some of the same plans yesterday, but the snow really interfered, and so we came out here and figured Kenwood had enough different stores that we could find whatever we wanted.
Most malls in the area, Kenwood Town Center, closed early yesterday and opened late today at noon in order to give employees time to come in and roads a chance to clear up.
Once the major thoroughfares got open, we anticipated that people were going to be coming out, and I think most of the stores staffed up accordingly, got as many employees in as they can, and I think they're glad they did.